Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois, and today I am standing in front of my used car pick of the week, the 2017 Jeep Sahara Unlimited. Now this is a four-wheel drive vehicle and it does only have 33,800 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It does come with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and 18-inch polished aluminum wheels. Now when we get into this vehicle, we can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating with the Sahara logo at the top, a fairly large back seat with a detachable roof. It does have a standard radio system in it with our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.